This is my final project for the Java Level 1. It's the banking software which performs all the banking application transactions. The username is me love money and password 1234. And this is the account and the login page. After that, you get into the home page. In the home page, you have the profile. Profile, you see your balance, your account type, and your current account rate. And then in the debit, you see your transaction history on your home page. And then this small line. This is a way to submit your transaction. So here we have a 1300 debit amount. So what we can do, we can submit an amount of 300. Let's say we've paid something for 300, and it'll lower the debit amount. If we exceed this limit, so 1,100, it'll go into the debit loan. You can also see your transaction history in this page, in the history page. If you go back home to the credit, you encounter a similar screen. You have your credit score, your total loanable amount, your loaned amount spent, and your remaining amount. So here you can do the same thing and put in a transaction, and that decreases this and increases this. You can check your transaction history as well, and you can see that all three transactions that we have made are here. After that, we have our login info, which has your username and the password that we put in the beginning. This final page is the history page that we were just in. So that is my project. Thank you.